So let's say if I was very savvy, Kristy, and I am going to look into different avenue of, putting my money to
Hmm.
invest. I would say the first thing is I will probably look at the money market account, right? Like maybe go to
Safe.
your
It's
local
good and
bank.
stable, right? Yeah.
Yep, yep. And let's just say, if my money market account and I got really lucky and I have a 5% return, Kristy. So,
And you'd be really
um,
lucky to have that right now. To be
so
totally honest, that would be really lucky.
absolutely. But let's just say, like if I were to put $1,700 in every for 10 years at a 5% return, Kristy, what does my saving look like at the end of 10 years?
Yeah, so you've saved some $17,000, right? $18,000. Your growth is around 4,500. So, modest growth, lower risk. You got about $22,000 now after 10 years.
Okay, all right.
If you didn't have any damage during that time, you're looking good.
Awesome, right?
Yep.
Okay, and now so let's talk about like what about those of us that can get something more like maybe a 7% return or a 10% return. What does that look like at the end of 10 years?
Yeah, sure. So again, you saved at the 7%, you've still saved you've saved around 17, 18,000, you've gained about 6,700. Even at 10%, you've gained another 17,000, right? 10,000. I'm not good at math. So there are definitely, there's a little better growth there. But you're still in a situation where a big loss could really hurt you. A $300,000 loss on your home because you had, a water leak upstairs and it leaked, downstairs and ruined the flooring and the walls and everything, or the tornado that we talked about, there's still a big risk there.
Okay, so after 10 years, I better hope that I don't have any damages to my home, right, Christy? Because
Yep.
maybe 20, 25,000 after 10 years of investment is still not
Still
enough.
not enough to take care of a big loss. Yeah, exactly.
Sure.
Yeah.
Now, what if
And
I'm sorry,
yeah,
go ahead.
I would think we're going the same place, right? So what if you're that really aggressive investor and you're comfortable in investing in something like crypto, Bitcoin, those types of things that have almost a 50% annual return, possible. um, There, you do have like a $300,000 growth over about 10 years, assuming you've not had any crashes, you've not had any big loss. One bad year in that market could really hurt you. There's a lot of volatility in that market. So, for one thing, not everybody is comfortable investing that way. And for another thing, even if you are, if you have one bad year, you're taking a big loss.